Hello and welcome to ANOVA. Today we are going to do an installation and a setup of a CLOG and Autochangeover combination. Now make sure that you have the correct tools to do the installation and get ready to set things up. So we have our cable joiner, make sure to unscrew it. We are going to take every single part apart and we are going to cut the unnecessary cables. In this case, the brown one that will connect to the CLOG is not necessary. So we are going to remove the excess in case there is one, and we are going to insert it on the cable joiner. Now we are going to make sure that we have the green cable and the white cable, and on the part that connects to the changeover, we are going to make sure that we have a black one and a white one. Now, the connections themselves, the green one will connect to the black one on the changeover cable, and the white ones will be connected to each other. The cable joiner inside, it has a metal part, which four sides actually, which can be used to join the cables together. So again, the white ones are connected to each other and the green ones and the black one is connected to one another. So we're just going to remove the excess and make sure to join both metal parts. This is really the hard part of the process. The rest should be pretty simple. Right, so now we are going to use the metal parts to have them connect to each other. And finally, we are going to screw the cable joiner again, and that's that. So now the cable itself will connect to a port on the back on one of the sides of the CLOG. Make sure it's well tightened. And that's it. You can now mount your auto changeover to the bottles themselves, and we can immediately pass the magnet and connect the device. The next part is going to be related to the installation with Lynx, and as you can see, the magnet is passed on the left side with the back facing you. Now this would be the time to set up your Lynx installation. That's done. Right, so now we are on Lynx. We are going to need to synchronize first in the top right corner in the arrows. Disregard the error, this is just because it's a test feature. Hit the synchronize button. And while it's synchronizing, let me tell you that if you encounter any issues on the two icons on the top right corner, the headphones one is our direct number should you have any doubts, and the one next to it is to share any errors that you might encounter during the synchronization part. Now, the synchronization part, at first it may take a little while to synchronize everything because it's basically downloading all the information from the system to your phone. Now, we have scheduled jobs. We are going to open them. We are going to click the green buttons to start everything, and we are going to click the plus sign to add a measurement point. The measurement point, you can name it anything that you might wish. Now we're selecting the category. So in this case, it's gas and it's a cylinders group. We are going to select the capacity, and we are going to make sure to select the capacity of both sides of the cylinder group. Now we're going to need to add the unit by clicking the plus sign and reading the QR code. If you don't have a phone number on the back of the device, on the label, you can just write it yourself. After doing that, you can click the next button and the sensor should be automatically applied. Next, we are going to have to validate the connection, and in order to do that, we are going to click the unit. You should get an error message or a warning message in yellow telling you that you need to validate it. Now, this may take up to 5 minutes, and again, the device needs to be active using the magnet. So it might take a little while for you to receive any reply from the device. Right, so now it's done, and we can see that we are getting everything in green and checked. And we just need to hit the arrow key to move back, and now we can move forward. Now we can finish the job. On the bottom right corner, you can select the camera button to take 2 pictures of the device or the installation, anything that you might deem necessary, but the 2 pictures are mandatory in order to close. So you can just click the camera button again. You can take more than 2 pictures, and you move back and you write anything that you may consider important information either to us or to yourself. You can finish the job and you'll see that the job is already in a closed state. After that, we need to load the information to Prognos, to our platform, and we need to synchronize it again. And that's it. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. If you need anything, just make sure to contact support and we'll make sure to help you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.